up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lavina. Now today's video is about my favorites video. This is a series that we're starting this month. So by the end of every month we'll be doing my favorites video where I take you through my favorite products from different categories, say from skincare, from makeup, from fashion, accessories and all of that stuff. So without making this intro any longer, let's begin. Okay, so let's begin with the first category of skincare, and my favorite product from this category has to be this, which is the Kama Ayurveda's rose water. Now traditionally I've been using this rose water, which is the Dabur Gulab Jal, Dabur Gulabari rose water. So it's said to be like a really pure rose water. So this is the first time that I tried this one. I ordered this from Nykaa. Let me leave the link for you in the description box below. Now this is 50 ml, retails for 300 bucks, a little on the expensive side, but since it's like a pure rose water, I think I will, like I'm okay spending that much on a rose water. I use this as a toner after I've cleansed my face with a face wash, and this is also non-alcoholic, so that's really good for the skin. So the next skincare product that I would like to talk about is a lip balm. You guys know I'm obsessed with lip balms. The one that I'm using currently is this one. This is from the Happy Bathing Company. It's fresh, handmade and natural. It's a strawberry lip balm and it contains mango butter, shea butter, sweet almond oil, beeswax and also essential oil blend. So it's really rich and really hydrating. It helps in curing chapped lips. Before this one I was using the Laneige lip sleeping mask that also worked wonders for my lips. This one is 15 grams and it retails for 225 bucks. The Laneige's lip mask is almost half the quantity, I think 8 grams or something, and it retails for double the price, which is 500 bucks. But this does the job really well. This is a good substitute for the Laneige's lip mask, at least for me. I would definitely recommend you guys to try this. Okay, so the next product that everybody needs right now is a hand cream. I've been using this one. This is from Neutrogena. This is 56 grams packing and it retails for 350 bucks. Because it's very rich and concentrated, you just need a very small quantity, and that's why it lasts you for long. So I think from a long-term perspective, it's not that expensive. You should try this one. Okay, now moving to the fashion category. Now क्योंकि work from home है, fashion maybe I'm not really buying a lot of fashionable stuff, but one thing that I bought which is not really fashion is this jockey track pants. Like, I'll just insert a picture here. So I had to buy a lot of pajamas and track pants, so I ordered this one. It's really comfortable, soft, and it has a very stretchable material as well, and it's good for, you know, it's easy to move around. It's good for workouts also, and you know, it's perfect for going out for grocery shopping. Okay, so now we move to the makeup category. Makeup category mein, I'm not really a makeup kind of person, but I really like lipsticks. I'm obsessed with lipsticks these days, and that too, you know, nude shades. So this one, everyone's favorite. I know I'm late in the game, but the Nykaa's Matte to Last Madras Kapi. That's I tried this one now, and it's really good. It's long lasting. It's smudge proof. And it has a high color payoff also. 1.2 ml, which retails for 239 bucks. So it's a little expensive, but I really like the color and everything, so I think we can make this work. Now apart from that, I also like these ones. This is the Nykaa's creamy matte lipsticks. Now this is long lasting. They have a very smooth application, also high color payoff, and I really like the color. Let me also show you the swatches of this so you have an idea about the color. Now why I like this is creamy. I really like creamy lipsticks because they're easy to apply. They have a very smooth application, and I can, you know, just wear it as a lip tint and not really a lipstick. I don't have to properly line my lips and wear a lipstick. Got two of these. One is in the shade Game On, the other is Dressed to Kill, and they're really nice colors. This is 4.2 grams and it retails for 299 bucks. So that's a good quantity and pretty affordable. So now next in the makeup category, something that I've been obsessing even during the lockdown and the work from home phase is this. Love nail paints. I really like wearing nail paints. So I tried these two. One is from Nykaa, that's their matte nail paints, and then this is from K Beauty. I really like the K Beauty one. So first let's talk about the Nykaa's matte nail paint. Now this is 9 ml and it retails for 199 bucks, so pretty affordable. Like all the nail paints are in the same range. The nail paint is also very long lasting, and also it has a really nice, like a very rich one stroke application. So even if you just apply one stroke, it gives you a nice color. And let's talk about this one, the K Beauty nail paint. This is 10 ml and it retails for 225 bucks, so the same range. And also again, this is long lasting, good application. I really like the color range from the K Beauty nail paints. I think you should definitely check it out. Now I move to my favorite books. So let me talk about the first book, which is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now I read this as a PDF, so I don't really have the hard copy to show it to you guys, but I'm inserting a picture. It's also available on Flipkart, Amazon. Now this is a personal finance book, talks about money, how money works. So to put it into very simple words, if you guys think that earning money and then saving money will make you rich, then you really need to read this book right now. The second book that I want to talk about is this one by Vex King. This is Good Vibes, Good Life. Now I'm really into self-help books, and I prefer reading self-help books and also informative books, say like related to economics or related to say personal finance or related to business, all of those books. So this is one of the self-help books that I love. I've read it I think twice already, and whenever I'm feeling low, I just pick the book up. I've underlined a few lines from the books and I start reading those whenever I'm feeling low, and it instantly lifts my mood up. It talks about self-love, it talks about well-being, it talks about how you manifest your goals. And this is just one motivating book that I have read in a while. I love this book. So now we move to our last category, which is the accessories. Now I haven't really shopped for much accessories because obviously ghar pe I wasn't really wearing a lot of accessories, so it did not make sense to shop for a lot of accessories. But because I love accessories, I could not stop from shopping a few. So I picked up these beautiful earrings from Anouk. I picked this up from Myntra. Now these are really pretty. I love the color combination and everything, and I would love styling these up with some ethnic wear, maybe a kurta or something. And I really have this idea in my head to wear a pink kurta, pink leggings with a red dupatta. I really like that combination. I love the combination of pink and red these days. I'm obsessing over it, and these would look lovely with that combination. And I just got these for say 300 bucks or maybe below 300 bucks. So that's a really good deal, and I just can't wait to wear them. And the last thing from the accessories category is this ring. I picked this up offline. That's how it looks. I picked this up from W, was somewhere close to I think 200 bucks. It's really pretty, and I'm wearing it constantly since then. Yeah, that's about today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell notification button. Let me know if you have some video ideas for me that I should be doing going forward. And we're doing this favorites series every month. And yeah, I'll see you next time with another video.